Today is what we sold on gold. So we have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, about 7 pairs that need to be shipped out today. Starting off, I have here the Air Jordan 1 High Fly is, I think I got this somewhere around $79.99 with additional 30% off when I found this on the Nike factory store. So I got lucky that I could scoop one of this, and I sold them for 117.17. That is after the fees. Next one, we sold this Nike Overreact Flyknit ISPA. Actually, they had just released yesterday the black and white undercover Nike Overreact undercover, and those are just like went like crazy, and it's hard to buy. And I think I got one pair, but this one, I think that's why people are trying to go on this one, because those are hard to get and these ones are much more easier to buy and accessible. And got this one $79.97 with additional 30% off on Nike factory store, and we sold them 86.40, so that is somewhere around 30 to 35% return. So next one, already sold 2 pairs of the women's Air Jordan Retro Low Slip, and last two pairs of size 9. This is the last 2 pair that I get on hands. That's kind of simple triple white Jordan 1 low, and not much going on. It's just simple Jordan 1, and that's it on that one. So I got this one for $59.97, additional 30% off when I found them. The good thing about this one when I found them is that there's a lot of reseller that time, and they're scrambling on the men's section. They found something good in the men's section, and I don't wanna go that route. I've been doing that before, scrambled with some other reseller with some particular shoes, and then they've been tanking, and then like pricing the shoe very low. So another strategy that you need to learn, if you see something, a lot of reseller going into one particular shoes, don't go in that route. Go something else. Go on women's section, go in the kids section. You might find something there that much better deal than the other shoe that other reseller is picking up. That's based on my experience. And then sold another pair, 2 pairs also of the Mamba Ridge Gold Star size 9, and then sold another one is size 12. And this size 12, I think it's much more expensive. 117, sold at 117. And the size 9, I sold this one much more expensive though. 130 on size 9, and then much cheaper on 12 and a half. So I got last pair of size 9s right there. Another 2 pair of size 12 and a half. So I'm gonna take that out. All right, so here we go. We got here the Mamba Ridge black metallic gold undersides, and if you can see right there, it's almost gone. It used to be like full stack over here and another stack right there. I bought a lot of this Mamba Ridge when they restock, and the good thing is I got them for very cheap, and now I'm getting at least more than 100% return of investment. So the colorways, this one is not really that crazy going on or something. It's just a little bit speckled of gold all around, but then the quality of this shoe, performance of this shoe is on point. So that's why they are really going to this one, because it is just simple black, a little bit hint of gold that is not really that popping. So that's why I've been trying to hold this one, because of the colorway, the performance, and Kobe, boom. That is why. So the retail on this one is 100 and I'm selling them over retail 130 and after the fees, and then the other 12 and a half is 117 after the fees. So that is what I sold today on gold. and I'm already done with those sold on eBay. So this is the only pair that I have to could share it to you right now. But then again, good thing that I have a few pair that I'm holding for a little bit longer, just like the this Kobe, a mix of quick flip, a mix of another quick flip, so and also a mid-tier flip. And that's all what we have it today. This is all what we sold on gold. And if you like this video, can you please leave a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. Thank you for watching. Nolasco here. I'll see you in the next one. Mag-ingat po kayo. Bye bye.